Ensure your loved ones are covered by Esic medical benefits by seamlessly adding them as dependents to your insurance. Let's get started. First, you'll need to access the Esic portal. Open your web browser and navigate to the official Esic website. You'll find a login option, usually prominent on the homepage. Click on it. Enter your register Esic user ID and your password. If you've forgotten your password, there will be a forgot password link available for you to reset it. Once you've entered your credentials, click the login button. After successfully logging in, you'll be taken to your Esic dashboard. Look for an option that says Add Family Member, Dependent Registration, or something similar. This is typically found within the Beneficiary or Family Details section. Click on this option to proceed. Now, you'll see a form to add your family members. You will need to accurately fill in the details for each dependent. This includes their full name, their relationship to you like spouse, child, or parent, their date of birth, and their Aadhaar number. Ensure all information is correct to avoid any issues. Next, the system will prompt you to upload supporting documents. You'll typically need to provide scanned copies of the dependent's Aadhaar card depending on the relationship. You might also need to upload a birth certificate for children or other documents as proof of dependency. Make sure these scans are clear and readable. Once all the details are entered and the necessary documents are uploaded, review everything carefully for any errors. Then, click on the Submit or Save button to finalize the registration process. You should receive a confirmation on the screen, and often an email or SMS notification indicating that your request has been submitted. Your added family members will now be eligible for the medical benefits provided under your Esic insurance. By following these steps, you've successfully ensured your family's health security. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful Esic guides.